I just finished reinstalling my Weaver tire changer with a PL240 assist arm today. I had to take it and move it out of the room to put in my new epoxy flooring. So on a whim, I picked up the camera because I've always wanted to tell people about this issue I had with my Weaver tire changer. And I think it's best if I could just demonstrate it. So it has to do with the wheel clamping. So when I first got my machine, if I stepped on this middle lever to close the clamp, I got one chance to get the wheel to clamp on the wheel. If I missed it, if I was trying to grab on the outside, this was a particular problem. Usually I use this for motorcycles, so I have guards on there, my motorcycle clamps. But when I closed it, I had one shot. If I pushed that lever down and let go, it stopped. If I pushed it again, it released. So I got one shot. But see, mine isn't that way. I can get as many shots as my foot can push and let go. And I thought, that's got to be the way it's designed. I took the side cover off, and I started looking inside, and I saw how it was some kind of cam mechanism that would engage and make the table or the clamps continue to move in. And then when you double it, it will come out. So I thought, that's got to be just wrong. So I got a parts diagram, and I looked at the picture of the parts. And my part in my machine didn't look like that little crude drawing part that I saw in the parts catalog. And when I get back in the house, I'll try to find that parts diagram and post a picture on when I edit this video. I don't remember what model of tire changer this is. I think it was their biggest, best one, if I am not mistaken. But anyway, I took my that little part inside, and I bent it to the shape that it is in the parts diagram. Even though it's a little crude picture, you can see what it was. Because mine, when I first got it, that little part I'm going to show you the picture of later, but it went kind of like this. Mine was bent like that, roughly. And if I remember right, there was a hole here, went through there. But the parts diagram shows something more like this. I don't know if you can see that half moon. So I bent mine like that instead of like that one. And this is the result. You push, you let go, you push, you let go, you push, you let go, you push, you let go. So I fixed my tire machine to work the way I think it was designed to work. Anyway, I'll post a picture when I find it, and I'll also give you the model number of my machine that I bought here. Alright, bye-bye. Okay, I've looked now. I think I have a model 894 of the Weaver tire changers. You'll see in this picture here that the item that I'm referring to that I've bent is item number 7, which is called a spring plate. And what number 7 does, it presses up on number 11. Now number 11 is called the, let me go down here, this page, the cam connecting rod. So the spring presses on the rod, and the rod connects to number 12, the cam. And if you can see on the side of the cam, there's a funny shapes in that little extension on the side of the number 11, the arm, goes inside of number 12 and determines whether you're going in or out with the clamps. So I bent the item number 7 to correct my tire machine, which would only close when I push the foot pedal one time. and if I let go, it would stop, and if I pushed it again, it would either fully close or fully open. I can't remember. It's been 2 or 3 years since I did this.